Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. You know, one of the fun things about owning a business is that you get to look at different ideas and see if they could help your company. Here's a suggestion, something to think about in scheduling. What if you said, I'm going to schedule a short little reclean of, let's say, the restrooms and the lunchroom, the break room? What would that do? Well, first of all, how long would it take? Well, if we're talking about just kind of checking to make sure the dispensers are full, checking to make sure someone just didn't throw something on the floor, you know, you already cleaned the bathrooms and the break room and the offices. So this is just a quick re-clean. But if you notice something had been thrown on the floor or a dispenser, like I say, you could do a quick re-clean and leave the restrooms and the bathrooms now looking really good a second time. Well, first of all, that's good for the building and all the employees will like that. Secondly, though, you could leverage that. Let's say on the front end, if you said, listen, we're going to set aside an extra 15 minutes at the very end to do a quick check of the restrooms, lunchroom, break room, maybe even the lobby. What could you do? Well, it's also part of marketing. You could say to your prospective client when you deliver your proposal, just to let you know, there's something we like to do. We clean your entire building, but when we're leaving just before, we do a quick re-clean so that maybe the lobby, but the restroom and the break room, the lunchroom, they look really good when we leave because sometimes people can throw something in there, something can happen. We make sure it looks good. Well, they may think, listen, you're looking out for me. You know, that's different than a lot of other companies. And it can be a very small thing. It doesn't have to take too much time. So something to consider. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.